What is up, YouTube fam? Welcome back, and welcome if you are new. My name is Renee. This is the Grace Gang, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit that bell before you leave so you get notifications whenever I post. Plus, it's free to join the Grace Gang, so why not join? I'll wait.
One eternity later.
You subscribe? Cool. So, as you guys can see by the title, today's video is going to be another wig review. I received this wig from a company called ShopBlackHairspray. They reached out to me and asked to send me a wig. Of course, I was down because who doesn't want a free wig? Especially when coins is a little tight because, you know, inflation on everything. But, yes, I got this wig from ShopBlackHairspray, which is a wig company online. I'll put their link down below, and I'll put the link to the unit down below so you can get it. But I got this wig from them, and this is the Sensational Empress Lace Wig, 100% premium fiber. Okay, sis, this is in Nayana. That's the name I'm going to go with, Nayana. Okay, look at her name. See it? There it is. So, we're going to go with, her name is Nayana, okay? She is in the number 4, and she is a natural deep part. Excuse me. And she is curly. And I thought this kind of hairstyle would be perfect for the summertime. Because you can see I'm bald headed now. If you're interested in finding out how I'm bald headed now, or when I did my big chop, I will leave that little icon in the corner for you guys to go ahead and watch that. But yeah, let's just get straight into this wig. Oh, you gonna come out or no? So, it's her stock card. Nothing crazy. My lighting is messing up. Hold on. Okay. So this is the stock card for her. It's nothing crazy. It literally just tells you how to do the hair. It shows you the different colors it comes in the back. We all know most wigs come in the same basic colors that are shown in the back. Alright. So. Oh, wow. She's longer than I thought. Like, giving inches. Okay. So, this wig is not... Oh wow, these curls are really pretty. This wig is not an actual full lace wig, nor is she human hair. She is synthetic. Okay. She is synthetica. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and get my scissors, you guys. I wanna cut the tag down. Okay, so this wig comes with lace all in the front. Okay, you see it. It's all around in the front, but it really is just a T wig, a T-part wig, 2 combs in the front and a comb in the back. Okay, and she's a middle part, which I love, but this hair is gorgeous. She's really long. Like, look at this, not screaming summertime, y'all. Summertime. But yeah, she's super cute, and they got the adjustable straps in the back. I don't think I showed you guys that part, but the adjustable straps in the back. And I'm not gonna glue this wig down just because in New Jersey we're having a heat wave and I don't plan on wearing it you know, all day all night, because she is synthetic. You have to know when to not wear them, and you just can't always wear a synthetic to bed. So yeah. Oh, she fits snug. I don't know if she big head friendly, but she little head friendly. Let me see. Oh yeah, this is giving. Alright, so let's separate. Yeah, this is really cute. Really, really cute. I want to say I won't glue her down, but now that I have her on, I kind of would like to. It's giving glue down. It's giving stunt. It's giving finesse. So, I might glue her down just to show you guys what it'll look like glued down. But she's so long. I wish you guys could see. Like, she's down to my butt, the middle of my butt, bottom of my butt, which you can't see because of the camera. But she's very pretty and gorgeous and soft. I feel like she'd make a good picture wig. She'd make a good wig in general. Good date night wig. I'm going to apply her and then I'll be back when she's applied. Alright, so I'm back. The wig is laid, okay? If you're not a girl of like, you don't want really long hair, she's not for you. Like, she's not for you. This wig is not for you if you were not a girl who likes some full hair. Because she's long and she's super thick. But I feel like this wig would be cute for like taking beach photos, things of that nature. Give you guys a turnaround. Look at that swing. What? Who? A win? This wig is cute. Like, she's giving. I wish I could wear it like to the side like this, which you probably could if nobody's up close and checking for your tracks. You could probably get away with wearing it like this, like it's cute like this. And on top of that, my force of habit is to always wear my hair like this. But since it is a middle part, we're gonna rock it as such. I think this hair is really cute. Shout out to Black Hairspray Company for sending me this wig because she's cute. I didn't know what I was missing. Like, I didn't know I needed this wig in my life. I really didn't. Like, even if you decided to cut her to a shorter length and rock her, you could. But like, I'm not cutting anything. And it's even layered. Like, you can see the layers within the hair. I don't know if you guys can tell from that far, but just look at how nice this hair is. The curls are cute. She's doing it and doing it and doing it well. If it wasn't about the rain, I would definitely go out and take some pictures in this wig. But it's giving, it's about the rain outside, and yeah. Sorry, I'm on Instagram, y'all, because you know, just might want to post some pictures or something. Yeah, she's long and big. If you don't like long and big hair, she's not for you. I love it. Oh yeah, this is the wig. I'm definitely going to be taking pictures tomorrow in this wig. Like, she's not gonna stay on all night because she is synthetic. You cannot sleep in this hair, and if you do, you are brave because it will tangle on you. Okay, I do say that much. This wig, she is a tangler. Okay, I literally didn't have her in that long, and I went to go separate the hair, and it was a knot in the back. So don't sleep in this wig. I mean, you could, but I wouldn't recommend it. That's up to you, sis. Oh, she's so cute. I feel like a, what's that thing say? I feel like a Puerto Rican in this hair. But I don't really feel like a Puerto Rican. I just feel like a black woman with some good ass hair. Like, oh my god, it's thundering outside. But yeah, you guys, this is the wig. This is Sensational. I gotta remember the name. I can't remember the name. Nayana. There you go. Nayana. That's what we're gonna call it. That's how it's spelled. Okay, this is the unit. She's cute. She's long. She's giving, you know, this gives me Beyonce. It's giving Beyonce. I will say the only thing I don't like is that when you I get a little bit of shedding, but that's because I cut the lace. But other than that, I think it's a good unit. And who's going to tell me otherwise? But if you guys are interested in seeing how I style this unit, how I maintain it and put it with outfits. You know, see me slay a couple times. Follow me on Instagram. I will put that down below for you guys. You know the deal. And if you haven't already subscribed, sis, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you get notifications whenever I post. And until next time, we are out. Peace.